What is happening? Well, if you grow blackberries, you likely know what that is. Blackberries are a perennial, which means they come back year after year, and they send up shoots or canes from the base of the plant. And most blackberry varieties have two different types of canes that grow on it. One is called primocane, and the other is called floricane. These gigantic stalks that I showed you in the beginning of the video, coming out from the bottom of the plant and growing super tall, those are this year's primocanes. And all of the canes that have fruits on them, like you see here, little baby blackberries, those are the floricanes. So these tall primocanes will develop the flower and fruit buds that will eventually turn into blackberries next season. And the floricanes that already have the fruit on them are from last year's primocanes. So why is this important to know? And the answer is because after we pick these blackberry fruits, these floricanes will not produce any more blackberries again. And if these floricanes aren't going to produce any more blackberries after they're done fruiting, there's no reason to keep them around. So for that reason, we chop them down, prune off the floricanes for this year, and leave only this year's primocanes. And that will allow the plant to focus all of its energy on this year's primocanes, so that way when it's time for them to overwinter, they've done everything they need in order to produce a bountiful harvest of blackberries for us next year's floricanes.